Hello guys, we are back on Hollywood with Aviator. I'm not gonna alter the screen today, just going to try and play as it is because it wasn't a good view the last time, so let's try and do it like this. Okay, remember double up strategy as well as the double pink strategy. What can I say, guys? The double pink strategy is quite risky. It's quite risky because okay, that's my first lose of the day, my first bet, my first lose. I'm going to double that up to 20 rands. Yes, I was saying the double pink strategy is kind of risky because I usually use a high amount for that one, so chasing high amounts on Hollywood is usually very bad. Okay, I'm going to be using the second slot today. Just set it on 1.3, get it 9 runs, and then we're set. Okay, so let's look at the hour. Okay, the 1.3 is cashed out. It's not a bad hour. It's not a bad hour, so let's go again. Let's go again. Oh, wait. I am going to have to try. Oh, come on. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh my god. I was going to try and do the double ping there. Seems like that's an opportunity missed. I'm going to lose. Wow. I was going to lose. So let me try and chase that 52 runs back. So that's 104, right? Of course, keep my data runs running at the bottom there. See what I mean, guys? Now I'm trying to chase that 50 runs, and it's not going to be easy. Let me just stop with the bottom one for now until I can have my money back. No, not again. Yeah. Risky business, this one. For sustain. So I'm going to have to up to 832 after this one, if this one loses. Luckily it's a win. Wow. Okay. Go back to my trusted 10 runs. It is a pink again. Okay. Let me go 50. Switch that off and 50. Okay, it is a pink. Let's see if we can get a double pink there. Let's see if we can get a double pink. Did we have any in the last hour? No, doesn't seem so. Okay. Let's hope the top one list gives us money back. Okay, that's good. At least I don't have to chase. Okay. I don't have to chase. We did make our money back, so that's good. It's a lose. Oh, I lost it. I lost this one also. So this is supposed to be how much? 150. Yes. I'm gonna chase the dead runs with a 150. That will have been a win, and we've lost the 20 runs. Okay, give me back my 150 first. Okay, good. I'm also gonna start with 20 here now. Alright, so far so good. So far so good. So yeah, guys, this is how we play this game. This is how we play. I've changed to 20 rands on the bottom, so that's giving us how much? 6 rands is. Update to 20. This one I'm going to bring it back as it was. Yo guys, it's raining today. It is raining today. Can I have my 20 back? Promising. Okay, let's go. We've made about 200 rands. I was hoping that was a pick, but it didn't make it. Yo, it's pouring, guys, outside. Okay, we've got the 20 back. We lost our 10 rands. Alright. Double up to 20 on the top one and then stick with the 20 on the bottom, because yeah, we won that one. Now let's go. Gotcha. Okay. Okay, we've got that one back also. Let me start with 20. It seems like a good hour, so let me start with 20. I think we've missed an opportunity to make a bit more, but just see now. Let's see. Now we're about 7.5 minutes on the video, and we've made about how much? That's 270. Okay, good. It's good progress. It is good progress. The voucher giveaway Fridays are coming back, guys. Why do I choose Fridays? Because Saturdays we have a lot of games, so that gives us an opportunity to try our luck on the Saturday games and the Sunday games. So this is why we do the voucher giveaways on Saturday. Okay. Alright, being kind to us. Not sure what the balance is. We're definitely into 300. Okay, good. That's nice. That's nice. As I've said, it is quite a friendly hour. It's a friendly hour. Okay. Okay. Let me up this to 40. Tune it up a bit. Hopefully that doesn't open the floodgates to hell. Okay, that's good. We've made about 12 runs profit there. Okay, let's go. 388. Wow, look at that, guys. The purple train. It's not a pink. I was thinking that was going to be a pink, but stopped at a 6x. Our 40 rands is back. What about our 20? Ooh, so close. Yo, so close. Rain has been dropped. Get your part fast. What does that mean, guys? I've been seeing that quite a lot. Let's try and squeeze in 500 in this video. Let me see if we can make roughly 500 worth of profit. This is looking like a pink. No. Cancel this one. Go 15 and cancel. Okay. Let's see if this is going to be double pink or we are falling into a trap. Let's see. Okay. Oof. Damn it. In total, we've lost how much? 100 rands. So let's try to make it back 200. Yeah, this is how the bet run starts. You're chasing a high stake. You have to stake higher and higher, and then after a few rounds your balance is nowhere to be found, like that. Okay, so 800, as I've said, guys, it is a trap sometimes. 800, and then after this we have to go 1.6. Yeah, let me wait this one out a bit, guys. I'm gonna wait, and then it's going to be the 2x that we need. No. Okay, it's now the blue train. Yeah, see, this game can be or this strategy can be going along quite well, and then in a matter of seconds everything just flips. Okay, still another blue. Wow. Just trying to chase that double pink, and then we find ourselves knee deep. Okay, that's a 2x. No more. Oof, let's try to see if the blue train has ended. Let's get the 2.11 here, please. Oh, the nerves. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, guys. 3.2. Yeah. Yo, we've missed that one. Yeah. Now I'm not sure what to play. This is probably the last bet we can make. See, did you save ourselves here or oof, we missed one again. Sure. We have to go in, guys. We have to go in to see how much we have after this one's 4 point something, 4.1. If this one doesn't go in, then I'm calling a video here. Then we try again. Oh my god. Oof. Yeah, chances missed, guys. See what I mean? Disaster, eh? Can we let's do one more. 900, yo, that's hectic. It was going all good. Made some back. Yeah, is this the double pink we were looking for? Let's try and see. Trying to make our money back, guys. 1x claim. Oh, disaster. Now it's purely based on luck, guys. Purely based on luck. Oh, look at that. Yo, what now? Should I take the 4K and run? Because I need to risk the 3.2K about 2 times to at least get back to where we were. That's why I was saying the double pink strategy is quite risky, and I'm going to scratch it off. I have to scratch it off. It does not work for me. Seems like this is a way to throw me into a big hole like this one. Always look at that line of blue. Oof. Disaster hits. There we go. Going in. I'll have 1.2 after this one. If we don't make it, luck only. Oh, and I'm gone. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm going to be stopping the video here. It's quite a bad lose. Okay, so I don't know, guys. The double pink strategy, it doesn't work for me. It seems so. Okay, so I will suggest you scrap that, and then yeah, that is aviator for you. Look at that. Okay, thank you for tuning in anyways. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.